Hey guys, this is Tony. I'm sorry that I missed everything from last night. The cars are I heard that the cars were being way too terrible last night, so I was not able to go out here. And there were a lot of trains last night, so I do apologize for that. But gonna make sure I make it up this time, and I'm gonna work on it, but don't and do anything kind of get some trains in. So we'll see what I can do. Here comes the Northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 leading 6-9. Here he comes. Here comes 69, excuse me. 69. I couldn't talk today, but here he comes. There we go. Yeah. I meant to say 69. Oh, excuse me. But there he goes down. There goes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 plus the horn show here at Dittmar Road in Austin, Texas. And I'll talk to you later until actually we're going later on today. Bye-bye.